What if you could unlock the secrets of financial success and take control of your wealth? The power lies in financial literacy. Financial literacy is more than knowing how to balance a checkbook. It's the key that can open doors to financial freedom. Imagine being a young professional saddled with student loans. Most people would be intimidated, right? But with financial literacy, this young professional understood the implications of interest rates and the importance of budgeting. He managed to pay off his student loans early, freeing himself from the burdens of debt. That's the power of financial literacy. It's about making informed decisions, avoiding the pitfalls of debt, and building your wealth. It's about understanding how money works so you can make it work for you. So whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a home, or just trying to make ends meet, financial literacy is your ally. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about finance, the better equipped you will be to navigate your financial journey. Did you know the secret to building wealth isn't just about earning more, but saving and investing wisely? Let's explore this through the tale of a woman. Let's call her Jane. Jane began her journey by saving a small portion of her salary each month. It wasn't monumental, just enough that she wouldn't miss it. But over time, these small amounts began to mount up. Now, Jane could have left her savings sitting in the bank, but she understood the power of investing. So she diversified her portfolio, spreading her investments across various sectors. This wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a slow and steady approach to wealth building. As the years rolled on, her investments grew due to the magic of compound interest. Jane's story illustrates that it's not about how much you earn, but rather how much you save and invest. No matter how much you earn, what really matters is how much you save and invest. Have you ever thought about your financial goals? They play a crucial role in your path to financial success. Imagine a couple, let's call them John and Jane. They dreamt of buying their own house within 5 years. It seemed ambitious, but they knew it was achievable. They started by clearly defining their goal, a modest house in a nice neighborhood. Next, they created a savings plan, factoring in their income, expenses, and the money they needed to save each month to reach their goal. They remained focused, and even when they faced unexpected expenses, they adjusted their plan accordingly. And guess what? 5 years later, they were unlocking the door to their very own home. That's the power of setting financial goals. It gives you a target to aim for and a plan to get there. Setting financial goals gives you a clear path to follow and makes your financial journey more manageable and rewarding. So what have we learned about unlocking financial success? We've learned that financial literacy is the cornerstone of any prosperous journey. It's the compass that guides us, helping us to understand the terrain of the financial world and make informed decisions. We've also discovered the potent duo of saving and investing. These are not just reserved for the wealthy, but are accessible and vital tools for everyone. They are the engine of our financial journey, propelling us towards our goals. And speaking of goals, we've recognized their power in shaping our financial future. They give us a clear destination, a tangible target to strive for. Unlocking financial success isn't a mystery, it's a journey. And with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate your way to financial prosperity. So take control of your financial future today. All right, folks, we're nearing the end of our financial journey today, but remember, this is just the beginning of your personal journey to financial prosperity. To schedule a free finance and career overview meeting, go to calendly.com/DenisStitt and select Saturday Finance and Career Workshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button below. It helps us reach more people like you who are eager to take control of their financial futures. And if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay informed. That way you won't miss any of our future videos packed with financial tips and tricks to help you navigate your way to success. We're all in this together, and your engagement helps build a community of financially literate individuals. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to financial success starts now.